Okay, so today I am getting my fruit soaked in preparation for my Jamaican wedding cake, also known as black cake. It's the same cake we make around Christmas time. My grandmother always told me she soaked her fruit for about 2 months. My wedding is currently about 2 months away, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this fruit going. So by the time I'm ready to make the cake, it'll be nice and ready for me. I'm actually going to be making a double batch because I plan for this cake to be quite a bit larger than what we normally make at Christmas, but we'll see. Anything I have left over will just be used at Christmas time instead. This mix never goes bad, just as long as you keep topping it off with rum. So my recipe starts off with a ½ pound of golden raisins. This box is just shy of a pound, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the whole box in since I'm making a double batch. I decided to go ahead and candy my orange and lemon peel. I will post a video on how I did that separately. Go ahead and add that to our mixture of fruit. And then we're gonna add enough rum to top all the way up to wherever the top of the fruit is. My recipe actually says a ½ liter of rum, a ¼ liter of cherry brandy, and a ¼ liter of port. I am all out of port. I never have cherry brandy. I am going to do this entirely with rum, and how much it's going to take is really going to depend on what size container you're using. I'm just gonna fill until I get to the top of my fruit mixture. Okay, so it took more than the bottle that I had. Show you. It took this bottle. This is a 1.75 liter, and then I had about half of this bottle that I also added to it. And you can see about how full that is. You can see it's full to about there. So we're just gonna cover it up, make it airtight, and it's going to just sit for a month and a half or so until I'm ready to go ahead and start making my fruitcake.